One of the big concepts about experiments in science is whether it is valid. And for your experiment to be valid, people say that it must be repeatable, it must be reproducible, it must be fair, and finally, it must test your hypothesis. And that kind of leads to your concluding sentence where you're looking at or stating that your experiment agrees with your prediction and also what you came up at the end after doing your experiment. But back to the list of four things that you need to know about a valid experiment. The top two, which is repeatable and reproducible, gets really confusing with regards to scientists. And here are things I need to know about those two. One is for repeatable. That means that you as an experimenter, you are doing the experiment multiple times with the same instruments and equipment and you're getting the same result. That is what it means when it is repeatable. Now, on the other hand, when it comes to it being reproducible, this is where you give your data to another scientist. Another scientist does that experiment but using different equipment and they still get the same result. And so this is one of the fascinating things about science that pushes the frontier in terms of innovation and discovery.